PP here. There has been a shake-up to the lineup at Preparatory Prep. Cape is managing well since he doesn't have a play to put on. B's in rehab once again, and G has just found out her baby daddy is a drug dealer. Stay tuned for some fireworks friends. Marigold is so cute. I love her so much. I would too. Do you want to be your grandmother? If I keep her, that is. Yeah. Why? Do you want not to keep her? I have my whole life ahead of me. So you've been So you'd be considered colleges when we'd be knee-deep in diapers. You're so cool. I don't feel like I am. Not without Sly. You get a guy a slice like you. Is Queen Bee romantic? The baby must be giving you the rose-colored glasses. Cool. I was always romantic. I was always a romantic. What about Kieran? He really likes you. Or not Endgame. He's more like you. Can I date him? He'd be a good baby daddy. Is Queen P giving away her hand-me-downs? PP. Aw, shucks. I'm ready for a war with Sky. Make that 2. Make that 3. Sly's no good. Make that 3. Sky's no good. A drug-dealing inseminator. Come on, let's go. Victor, we're going to get Sly Airborne. No, he's my cousin. I can't let you do this. Wow, such a familiar face. You look just like him. Thank you. Who cares? Let's get him. Not without being on the right battlefield. You better watch it, Sly Airborne. Sleep with your one eye open. We're coming to get you, Sly. I don't know why we're yelling. Let's just get Sly Airborne. 1,000 likes. Now we can get him.